I was 14 years old, and it was the first time I was going to be home alone all night. My parents had gone out for a party, and I promised to be careful. At first, everything was quiet and calm. I was watching TV and doing my homework, feeling excited but a little nervous. As the night got darker, I started hearing strange sounds from upstairs. At first, I thought it was just the house settling or maybe a branch hitting the window. But then, I heard footsteps. Slow, heavy footsteps coming from the hallway outside my bedroom door. My heart started beating faster. I told myself it was just my imagination, but the footsteps grew louder. I grabbed the kitchen knife from the drawer, trying to stay calm and quiet. I decided to check the whole house. Room by room, I looked for anyone. Nothing. No one. But when I came back to my room, I noticed something strange. There was a small movement under my bed. At first, I thought it was a shadow. But then I saw a hand. A pale hand reaching out slowly. I froze. My breath stopped. My heart felt like it would burst out of my chest. Slowly, I backed away from the bed, keeping my eyes on that hand. I ran to the phone and called the police. While waiting, I stayed locked in the bathroom, holding the knife tightly. The footsteps stopped. Everything was silent. When the police arrived, they searched the house carefully. They found a man hiding under my bed. He had a knife and had been living in the house without anyone knowing. He told them he had broken in hours earlier and was waiting for me to fall asleep. I was lucky to escape without being hurt. Since that night, I never sleep without checking under my bed. And sometimes, when the house is very quiet, I swear I still hear footsteps.